Will my car insurance cover me if I have a catastrophic injury? Hey there, I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson and Klotz Injury Law Firm, and I'm here to answer this question today, which is it's a question somebody gave us. It has a little bit of nuance to it, and so the question again is, will my car insurance cover me if I have a catastrophic injury? Well, if you were in a car accident and you have automobile insurance, then your insurance may cover you if the person who's at fault doesn't have any insurance coverage that covers you from their policy. You would need to have what's called uninsured motorist coverage on your own policy in order for your automobile coverage to cover you. So it sounds a little bit confusing, but it's not. So if you're in an accident, let's say there's two cars come together. One is the at-fault party, and they run a stop sign and they T-bone you, and then you've got your car, and then you maybe have an automobile policy yourself. The at-fault party, if they have liability bodily injury coverage, they will have some sum of money to cover you. It depends on how much they purchased. In Florida, it can be little or none, and then other states have different minimum amounts. But in Florida, you really have to look at the at-fault person's policy to see. It could be, little or none, or up to, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. It depends on what they've purchased. Let's say they have purchased none that covers you, then you have to see, if you've been T-boned, do you have what's called uninsured motorist coverage on your own policy? And we always recommend to people to let us take a look at your policy and give you, an idea if you have uninsured motorist coverage or not. Or you can call your insurance agent and ask them if you have uninsured motorist coverage on your own policy. Because if somebody hits you and causes an accident and they don't have sufficient insurance to cover you, then you're going to be relying on your own coverage. And if you don't have what's called uninsured motorist coverage, then you might not be covered in a catastrophic accident. So if you have questions about uninsured motorist coverage, give us a call. Be happy to walk you through it. We don't charge for an initial consultation, but I advise all of our friends, family, clients to get some uninsured motorist coverage on your own automobile or motorcycle policy, depending on which you ride. I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson and Klotz Injury Firm. Thank you very much for watching today, and I look forward to catching up with you next time.